Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some popular short pixie and bob haircut ideas. First up, we have a hair transformation. Looks like the stylist is going to be doing a pixie haircut for this one. The stylist ended up giving her a longer pixie, beautiful cascading back, angled bangs in the front. Gorgeous. Next up, we have a hair transformation from Diego, and he has given his client a beautiful pixie haircut. Nice spiky texture in the front. And of course, she set the look up with a burgundy lip. She looks amazing. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and of course be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Moving right along, we see this gorgeous Pixie style haircut. This is a great in-between pixie and bob option. Beautiful feathered bangs in the front. Very stylish and chic hairstyle. And this one is also by the stylist Diego. Next up, we have someone who has about mid-length hair, and this stylist is going to be cutting the hair into a beautiful blunt bob haircut. Beautiful curls for some texture. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.